So guys, I finished my project here today, and just making a quick video with my MARANTZ 1040. This is a console stereo amplifier. It has no tuner, no radio, nothing, just amplifier straight. And finished the project that I was doing this since the other day, and now it's done, and you can see this case, the box that I made for this receiver, and it makes it really nice because the contrast of the black and silver, it's really a good combination for a receiver for this amplifier. It's a good contemporary looking piece, very clean, very nice looking, and it's just classy. MARANTZ. Very nice piece, and I love the sound of this MARANTZ. It has power, and the clarity of the sound of this amplifier, guys, is just one of a kind. So I finished this project for like 2 days. Yeah, I couldn't do it for 1 day, from cleaning this amplifier from outside, inside, sides, the back, and doing the lubricating all the knobs inside and other stuff. So it has this smoothness when you know, play your music, and when you turn those knobs. So it's really smooth now, guys, and clean, and it's a very nice amplifier now because of this box that I created. Very nice piece, and I added in my collections, guys. So another video here from MARANTZ 1040. Another good score, and another beautiful piece. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful, guys. I love it. So guys, that's it for today, and just sharing it with you guys, and hope you liked the video, and hope you hit the subscribers, and I'll say thank you for that, and for now I'll say bye bye.